In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle photo in Dorik. If you're building a profile section, a team page, or a neat avatar, turning a square image into a perfect circle is quick and doesn't require any code. Let's walk through it step by step so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening Dorik and signing in. On the login screen, click Sign In As, then choose your Google account if that's how you access Dorik. Once you're in, head to your dashboard, pick the site you want to work on, and click Edit Site to open the builder. Inside the editor, click the image you want to turn into a circle. Make sure the image itself is selected so the settings panel for that element appears on the right. You'll see a variety of options there. We'll work inside the styling controls. Open the Styles section. This is where you control how the image looks. Things like spacing, borders, and corners. Look for the setting labeled radius or rounded corner. This adjusts how curved the corners are. In the radius field, type around 50% or more. Using a percentage is important here. A value of 50% will fully round the image into a circle, as long as the image is a perfect square. If you go higher than 50%, it will still appear circular. If you use pixel values, the effect may vary with different image sizes, so percentage is the most reliable choice. Next, make sure the same value applies to all corners. Click Sync Values, or the link icon if you see it, so all four corners use the exact same radius. If the corners aren't synced, you might end up with uneven rounding. A quick but crucial tip, start with a square image for a true circle. If your image is rectangular, a 50% radius will create an oval instead of a circle. For best results, prepare or upload a square version of your photo. That way the rounding will be perfectly symmetrical, and faces or logos will sit nicely centered inside the circle. You should see the change instantly in the preview. If the edges look clipped, slightly reduce the radius or check that the image container isn't adding extra padding. Also, take a moment to preview on different screen sizes to make sure the circle looks clean on mobile and desktop. That's it. Log in, open your site, select the image, go to Styles, set the radius to about 50%, and sync the corners. You now have a clean, professional circular image in Dorik.